Absolutely an advantage because cricket gave me the profile that enabled me to do other things.
Yes, but cricketers entertain and you're on to very serious things. Does it affect the way people look at you?
Well, actually it depends on your credibility. Fame helps you in giving a name recognition, but it's really credibility that counts.
I know that you don't like to look back. You don't look at old family films or videos or albums.
That's true. It's been a trait in me since I left school, because I feel that your evolutionary process stops when you live in the past.
But today I want to take you back through the important phases of your life, which I feel have made you who you are today. So we'll go back.
Okay.
You join me. 21 years of passionate cricket. What trait or quality saw you through and steered you to the top?
I think the passion to succeed and the ability to take the knocks, the ability to pick myself up. I always believed I could win, and any chink that you saw, any chance you saw in winning, I would try and grab it and never give up till the end. So I guess if that was probably the quality that helped most.
You were also very ambitious even as a young boy.
Yeah, I was a dreamer, age of 9 onwards, I always dreamt that I had no doubts that I would play for Pakistan. It was just a question of when. And I always thought I would be, the youngest cricketer ever. And then when I played at 18, I had huge ambitions. I thought I would get 10 wickets in the match and score 100 runs. So it was nothing less than,